back, guys, to my YouTube channel. A lot of you have reached out to me to show you how to grow a small account using any strategy that I feel will be good for them to use. Okay, what I've decided to do is to always do my analysis first, and then I will show us how to be taking our trade entry. Okay, so every time and every now and then, whenever I want to make a new video, okay, I'll make sure I do the analysis first, and then we are going to be entering the trade together so that we can take the trade together and grow our small account. So if you are having difficulty trying to trade your small account, then I want you to always keep a tab on your videos, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I do my analysis, and then we'll be taking the trades together. Okay, so you can decide to fund as little as 10 to $100, and then whenever I take any trade in the market, then definitely you also want to take the trade with me. Okay, so that we can grow together. This is like a community, and then we can make the money together. Okay, so I'm just going to be doing this for the sake of those that are still struggling and those who are still learning. Okay, so if you are still struggling and you are still learning, but you still want to make money trading, then definitely you want to keep coming to my channel, because I'll be doing the analysis before I take the trade. Okay, and then as a disclaimer, it therefore means that whatever losses I make, definitely you are going to be making the loss too. Whatever profits I make, you are also going to be making the profits. Okay, so everything I'm doing and teaching is for educational purposes, and I will not be held responsible for your losses. Okay, just as I won't be held responsible for your profits. Okay, but just to help as many struggling traders, I'll be doing the analysis, and then I'll be taking the trade together with you. Okay, so that we can grow, and then we can grow this account together. And definitely, to be able to achieve that, then it means that we'll be risking very little of our accounts. Okay, because of those of us that might not be able to withstand certain retracements and pullback, so we'll be risking very little of our accounts. But in today's video, I'm just going to show you how I was able to spot this entry on boom 500 index, and then how to take an entry using the head and shoulder pattern combined with the divergence. Okay, so if you've heard of the head and shoulder pattern, every now and then I've talked about it on this channel, and then also the divergence. So I'll be showing us how to combine these two and then take any trade on boom 500. Okay, so we are also going to be taking trade also on the different types of market, like the volatility index, the boom and crash, and any other markets that we will be able to see our setup. Okay, so as always, we want to verify if what we'll be learning and what we'll be teaching in this channel is true. Okay, so you can see that we are already in profit, so we'll just go ahead now to the chart to see whatever it is that the market is showing us for us to take this trade. Okay, so you can see that the least loss size for boom 500 is 0.20. Okay, but because we want to grow this account, we decide to make use of 0.05. Okay, 0.05, and to be able to get 0.05 lot size, what you want to do is to increase your lot size to 0.25, and then when your position is open, you want to remove 0.20. Okay, and then you'll be left with 0.05, and then you can open multiple positions of 0.05, but I just decided to open two positions so that we'll be able to test out the strategy and see how it works. Okay, so what we'll want to do now is to show us how we're able to spot this entry. So we are still going to be making the use of the same principle. Okay, we are still going to be making use of the same principle. Remember, I've put my stop loss and my take profit in place, so that should in case the trade doesn't go in my favor, then definitely I will not lose out on this account. And should in case the trade goes in my favor, this will be my first take profit. Okay, for one of the positions that I've opened, and then my second take profit will be at this particular level here, guys. So this will be my second take profit. Okay, so this is where like I expect price to get to. Remember that price has been selling, okay, and spiking, selling, spiking, selling, and spiking. So we expect that price should just sell down here. And the reason being that if you look on the monthly time frame, you will notice that price is already shifting the zone already. Okay, so you will notice that price is already shifting zone already. So we can see that in the previous month here, we have like a rejection here, and then price opened and started buying. But you can see that price has taken out liquidity already here, guys. So you can see the liquidity that price took out. Okay, so price took out last month's high. Okay, and then with that last month's high that has been taken out, then it therefore means that price is turning. Okay, so we just want to see certain confirmations before we can decide if we'll be selling in this market. And then as you can see, when you go to the weekly time frame, you will notice that in the weekly time frame, you can see that last week's candle was a sell. Okay, and these two candles here signals to us that there's about to be a strong reversal. Okay, so likely possible price might decide to sell and come to this level. Okay, should in case price still retrace further, I might decide to enter, like more positions, maybe one more positions, to be able to like maybe set another take profit here. But for now, we'll just decide to open with two positions. Okay, but should in case maybe price decide to enter the red, maybe it moves from blue to red, I might just decide to open one more position so that we might be able to set our take profit, one of our take profits at this level. Okay, but let's just quickly go straight to this strategy to be able to learn how to spot this entry for ourselves. Okay, and you can see that the daily candle is moving in a sell already. So the first thing we want to do is, as always, to determine the trend. Okay, so we already know from the daily time frame that the trend is in a downtrend. Okay, because you can see that our high here has been respected. Okay, our highs have been respected, so we see that price is going on a downtrend. So, and you can see that our low has been violated. Okay, each low of the daily candle has been violated. Okay, so this is like the next low for price to come and take out, which is one of our take profits. Okay, and then before price will come to this particular level here. Okay, remember this is where price started its impulsive move upward. Okay, so we just want to take advantage of the fact that price is likely to turn, and should the case maybe price gets here, you can see that the profits will be something around $38. So we are just going to be risking very little to gain much. Okay, guys, so that's the first thing. So what we notice is that the trend has been settled already. Okay, so this is the first thing you want to do whenever you open your chart to determine the trend of the market. Okay, I know at first it might sound foreign to be able to determine the trend, but you just want to try your best to know the trend and the direction of the market. So we already know that the direction of this market is a downtrend. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to look for our chart pattern now. Okay, so for our chart pattern, when we go to the 1 hour time frame, we'll see our chart pattern. Okay, for us to be able to take an entry for ourselves in the market. Okay, so we are going to be looking for our chart pattern, and then if you notice, you will notice that the chart pattern we saw, it's not really that clear on the 1 hour time frame. So we are just going to go to like the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so on the 30 minutes time frame, we are going to see our head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so remember I talked about the head and shoulder pattern. All right, so this is the second thing we want to look at for our chart pattern, which is the head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so this is like the first shoulder, this is like the head here, and then this is like the second shoulder. Okay, and then we can see that after the head and shoulder pattern has been formed, we can see like a reversal. Okay, so our head and shoulder pattern tells us that market is about to reverse in the market. Okay, so you can see that on the 30 minutes time frame, it is a clear downtrend. Okay, so what you want to be doing whenever you see a downtrend is for you to position yourself for a sell, and whenever you see an uptrend, it's for you to position yourself for a buy. Okay, so you can see that this um you can see that this particular this particular head and shoulder pattern actually touched this there was like an order block here. Okay, an order block level at this place here that price came and touched, and then price started reversing here. Okay, so if I zoom out, you will notice that there is a particular order block here that price came to test. Okay, before it started forming the head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so that is like the order block here, and you can see that price actually made that reversal at that level. Okay, but we are not able to spot this reversal immediately. If not, we would have taken our trade somewhere around here, okay, after the break of this structure there. So we would have taken our entry here. But remember, after price created that head and shoulder pattern, there was like an order block, okay, there was like an order block level here that we have here. So this is like the order block level that price has come to test, okay. So that is how we want to take advantage of the head and shoulder pattern. And then we want to combine this head and shoulder pattern with our divergence strategy, okay. Remember, our divergence states that whenever price on the main chart is creating like a high here and then a lower high here, then we want to see like a high here and a higher high, okay. So we can see that that was what actually happened here. So you can see that when price created a high and a lower high here, you will notice that we have like a high here on the indicator chart here, and then we have a higher high. So this is like a divergence confirming to us that what price is about to go down, and then it's going to hit our first take profit, okay. And then our second take profit, which will be at this level, we expect price to get here and look for further confirmations to add more positions to keep on selling, guys. So this is how we want to take advantage of this strategy, okay. So for the settings, it's very simple. So this is like the relative strength index, okay. On our chart, it is easy for us to get, so I'll just delete it now so that we'll be able to add it up for ourselves in the market, okay. So what you want to do is to tap on your screen and then come to this F plus symbol here, and then you can decide to add it for yourself, and then look for the relative strength index, okay. So you can see the settings for yourself, and then you want to tap on done here, okay, and tap on save, and then still click here, okay. And then when you click there, you want to add the stochastic indicator there, and then this is the stochastic, or rather the stochastic insulator. We are going to make use of, yes, let's just decide to add the stochastic oscillator there, okay. So we can add the stochastic oscillator there, and then after that, so you can see the settings for yourself, and then you can just tap on save here, okay. And then when you go back, you can see that it is already on our chart, okay. So guys, this is how you want to take advantage. So, and then you can see the divergence here, okay. You can see the divergence playing out, guys. So this is how you want to take advantage of any setup coming up. So don't worry, I said we are going to be taking this trade together. So if there's any opportunity in the market, I will do the analysis in the video, and then we'll take that trade together. So make sure you go and fund your account, okay, as little as 10 to $100, okay, so that we can grow our account within a month or within 2 months, and then make profits and withdrawals for ourselves, guys. So this is how we want to be trading. So guys, I believe you've gained value from this video. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so now. Kindly turn on your notification bell, kindly like this video, and do well to share this video. Leave a comment in the comment description of this video if this video actually made sense to you, and then definitely that will make me to want to show you my trade setup, and then show you my analysis before I take a trade, okay. So cheers guys, I'll see you in my next trading video.